Hey Revit designers, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Revit to design a custom floor plan based on an inspiration from the internet. And this is going to be our inspiration for this floor plan. And here is what the floor plan actually looks like. I'm going to make a couple of modifications to this. Instead of having a stairway, it's going to have a mudroom right here in from the garage. You can either follow along and make this floor plan, or you can do a simple Google search and find a floor plan that is your style. Switching over to Revit, I have shared with you this floor plan starter file. In here, there are some pages already set up with a document for what your plan is going to look like on a sheet. And there's a 3D version that will appear, as well as the main floor plan. So to get started, we always start with our architecture tab, and we're going to start by making some walls. In the file that I shared with you, there are some pre-existing walls. This wall is pretty long, it's 60 feet. And if we toggle over to our floor plan, you'll notice that the back of the house is actually only about 38 feet long, and it's about 48 feet deep. So I'm going to start with not quite a basic rectangle, but I'm going to follow most of the perimeter of the exterior of this house, and then I'll go in and add my dividing walls. Grabbing that architecture tab again, grabbing my wall tool. In this file, there are two basic walls that we're going to be using. We're going to start with this exterior wall, and I'm just going to click to start, and I'm going to go about the size of each room that I'm hoping to create. I'm going to make this pretty deep. It was 48 in my example. I'm going to make it a little bit deeper. There was a garage that stuck out, and then an entryway that went to the back, as well as a dining room that came out. And you'll notice that Revit really likes to help me out in making my walls by snapping to common sizes as well as snapping to other pre-existing walls to help you. Makes your job a lot easier. So now the perimeter of the house is done. I'm going to hit the escape button a couple of times to get out of my wall tool. And the next step is I actually like to add in my floor next. That will be in the following video. So follow along.